Okay, so we've got a closed circuit. You can see that we've got different component values. We've got R1. So let me just turn this one back here. Remember how to do it, double click on it. Let me turn that one back to 1K. Okay, so if I took a measurement at this point here, see where my cursor is, look, screen. If I took a measurement here, what voltage do you think I would expect to see there?
It's a prize for the first right answer.
Yeah, we're going to be sweets down next week. They usually work quite well, but they bonbons.
Come on, it's a simple one. Basic electronic fundamentals. You've got 10 volts there. Half. Yeah?
Is he right?
Everybody think? What voltage output we would see between R1 and R2?
Where the cursor is, what voltage would you expect to see there? Well, let's assume that you don't know, okay? So you're new to electronics, but you're just starting to use Multisim. Well, pretty realistic scenario, actually, isn't it? So, one of the things that we want to do in Multisim is we want to take measurements. Now, measurements are great, and they're really easy to do in Multisim. Come over to the right-hand side here, right down this bar here. You can barely see it on the screen, and when you hover, you'll see multimeter. Well, that will do for a start. We don't have a multimeter in here, but basically a multimeter, well, yes we do have a multimeter. Basically what a multimeter does is it measures DC voltage, resistance, capacity sometimes, inductance sometimes, current, all the rest of it. It does a physical measurement for us. The type of thing that you see here, the palm, the yellow, that's what we're going to put on our circuit here. So we're going to put in a multimeter. But if you scroll down, you can see lots of other things. So the next one down is a function generator. Well, a function generator makes sine waves and square waves and that kind of stuff. Next one down, oscilloscope. We don't want that yet. We'll have a look at that a bit later. Then we've got 4-channel oscilloscope and all the rest. So select the top one. And in it comes, nothing very exciting to look at, a bit of a boring multimeter that one. And just click so it goes onto the screen, got it? And it should just stay there on its own. So you can see it's got a plus and a minus side, so let's connect the plus side to the higher of the two rails and the minus sign to the bottom of the two rails. I'm now going to double click on the multimeter. And suddenly I can see the reading window that comes with it. Okay, make sure you can do that. So it's all on the screen, look. I've dragged in my multimeter. I've connected the two wires. Even if you connect it the wrong way around, you connect plus and minus, it'll still work. It'll still be a negative value, that's all. That's all that happens. Particularly devastating. One of the good things about simulations, they don't explode. Whereas making things in real life, they do get very hot and go pop. But there's lots of different ways in which you can save circuits. And one of those is restricted current. Okay, anyone not do that? All there? All going well. Splendid. Right, well what I'm going to do now, I want to see whether what the gentleman there says is right, whether half the voltage is dropped across R1 and half the voltage is dropped across R2. That means I would have 5 volts at that output. Is he right? Is he right? If you go up to the top rail here, you'll see a nice little green arrow, like you'd see a play button on a video or something. And that's your start simulation or your run. Now if I press run, look what comes out on the multimeter. 5 volts. He was right. Okay. Indeed. But the one thing I must do is I must stop the simulation, because otherwise it stops me doing anything else afterwards. So I've run my simulation, I'm happy. Now what I want you to do in the next 4 to 5 minutes is I want you to put different values in here. Now I want you to leave R1 the same as it was before. So leave R1 as it is. And I want you to put R2 is equal to 3K, R2 R2 is equal to 7.2K, and R2 is equal to 22K. Okay, when you put those three values in for R2 and run the simulation again, tell me what voltage you get out. And then we'll ask everyone in 3 or 4 minutes. Okay? Give you practice on doing that. So what comes out as the out? What voltage? Okay, so 3K,
search one multimeter analog mouse, analog.
those three values that are on there, please. I can't believe that. We're starting to get complicated. We've got shy people that won't admit that they don't know how to do it. Right, I've got the same question 3 times over, which means you didn't get it. So the multimeter, you find the multimeter in the top right hand corner here, look. Here. Down that drop down bar on the side, look, multimeter. Top right hand corner.